Hey podcasters, this is Keith from Podpal. In this tutorial, we're going to go over how to upload and manage episode recordings. Throughout the video, we're going to be going over how to access your uploaded files, upload new files, delete a file, and upgrade your cloud storage. Okay, let's get started. Every Podpal plan comes with a generous amount of cloud storage, so you don't have to worry about managing your podcast audio and video files across different storage accounts like Google Drive or Dropbox. And each podcast that you import or start in Podpal comes with its own storage space, so there won't be any issues with mixing up your files across podcasts. All of your uploads can be found by going to the recordings page from the sidebar. The files that you were shown will depend on what podcast you're currently working on, which can be seen above. The top of the recordings page shows your storage usage and limits, and is also where you'll find the button to upload new recordings. Podpal takes common podcast audio formats like M4A and MP3, and several video formats including MP4. Once a file has been uploaded to recordings, it can be attached to any episode when creating or managing one. And any file uploaded from a device while creating or managing an episode will be added to the recordings page as well. Each table item shows your file's name, size, duration, and date added. When a file has been attached to an episode, the attached episode number and type will show under the episode column. Clicking the three dots on any file will let you manage that episode, download the file to your device, or delete the file. Files that have already been attached to a published episode can't be deleted from the recordings page. This helps to ensure you don't delete any file attached to an episode that's already released and available on listening platforms. To manage a file already attached to an episode, click the three dots for that file and select Go to Episode. There, you can replace or remove the recording from the dashboard. To sort your recordings by name, size, duration, or date, use the arrows at the top of each column. And to upgrade your cloud storage limits, visit your account subscription and billing page to see new offers and upgrades. Okay, that's all. Make sure to check out our other video tutorials so you can become a Podpal expert. And remember, you can always visit our Help Center to learn more about Podpal's features.